Hey friends, welcome to this video. I will show you how to add extra package in the Airways. So basically it's easy steps friends. Go to Google and click add extra package in the Airways. You see this page from here guys. Look for a login option page. For example this one, click sign in. If you don't join yet, click join in. After that write your Royal Plus member ID and from here write your password. After that friends, all you have to do, go directly to book option and then click upcoming trips. Then you see this page friends, right click sign in. After that, as I say, and from here write your booking reference or ticket number. This is, make sure this is a format of this booking number or ticket number. Write your unique and personal ticket number. From here write your last name. Then guys, all you have to do, you see this option, manage booking. After that you can add extra baggage through managing your option through book their Airways. So guys, it is simple steps without any complicated. I hope this video helpful for you. Don't forget to give a like and give share this video for more content, and see you another video soon. From here you can add your extra baggage.